In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a website with a video gallery and slider in Wix. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website you want to edit. Once you are in the dashboard, click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. When the editor loads, go to the left side toolbar and click Add Elements, marked with the plus icon. From the list of elements, choose Video and Music. This section gives you different ways to add video content to your page. Drag either a video player or a video gallery onto the page, depending on the layout you want for your site. After placing the video element, click on it to open its options, then select Change Video. You can now upload your own video or choose one from the available sources in Wix. Once you have selected the video you want to use, confirm your choice so it appears on the page. Next, click Settings for the video element. This is where you can adjust how the video works and how it looks. You can customize playback options, show or hide controls, and update layout and display settings so the video matches the design of your website. Now go back to the left toolbar and click Add Elements again. This time, choose Gallery. In the Gallery options, look for a slider gallery and drag it onto your page. Place it where you want your image slider to appear. Click on the slider gallery to open its controls, then select Change Images. From here, you can upload your images, remove any you do not need, and organize them in the order you want them to appear in the slider. Once your images are in place, click Settings for the slider gallery. Here you can customize the layout, choose how visitors move through the images, and turn autoplay on or off. You can also adjust transition effects and other available display options to create the style you want. After both the video section and the image slider are set up, click Preview to test everything. Make sure the video plays correctly and the slider moves the way you expect. If anything needs to be adjusted, return to the editor and update the settings. When everything looks right, click Publish to make your changes live on your website. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.